The present perfect continuous is not simply a tense of duration. It expresses continuity, temporary situations, recent evidence, emotional coloring, and speaker perspective. The speaker views the action as a process rather than a completed fact. Examples: she has been writing a novel. They have been negotiating the contract. The focus is on the activity itself, not necessarily on completion. Let's move on to our uses of the present perfect continuous tense. Number 1. Ongoing activities up to the present. The action began in the past and is still continuing. Examples: she has been studying since morning. We have been waiting for the results. Number 2. Recent activity with visible evidence. The activity may have stopped, but its effect remain visible. Examples: your hands are dirty. What have you been doing? It has been raining. Number 3. Emphasis on duration rather than completion. The tense focuses on the activity itself and how long it has been happening, not on whether it is finished. If we compare present perfect, I have written 3 reports. This sentence expresses result or completion. With present perfect continuous, I have been writing reports all day. This sentence expresses process or duration. In present perfect continuous, the important information is the time spent writing, not the number of reports completed as it is in the present perfect. Number 4. Temporary situations. The speaker views the situation as temporary or subject to change. Examples: I have been staying with my cousin this month. They have been living in a hotel. In the first sentence, the speaker started staying there earlier this month. He is still staying there now, and it's only temporary. While in the second sentence, they started living there in the past, are still living there now, and will move later. So it's also a temporary situation. Number 5. Repeated activity over a period. The action occurs repeatedly during a recent period. Examples: he has been calling me every day. She has been missing classes recently. Number 6. Recent trends and developments used for gradual changes. Examples: prices have been rising. Interest in renewable energy has been growing. In the first sentence, prices started rising in the past and are still rising now. In the second sentence, interest in renewable energy started growing in the past and is still growing now. Both sentences describe changes that started in the past and are still changing slowly over time. Number 7. Cause of a present state. The present situation is explained by an earlier activity. Examples: why are you out of breath? I have been running. Why is Ellen upset? She has been arguing with her brother. In the first sentence, the speaker is out of breath because he has been running. In the second sentence, Ellen is upset because she has been arguing with her brother. Both activities explain the present situation caused by an earlier activity. Number 8. Emotional coloring and speaker attitude. The tense can convey irritation, criticism, surprise, or admiration. Examples: I have been complaining all day. She has been interrupting everyone. Number 9. Incomplete or unfinished activities. The activity may still be unfinished. Examples: Emma has been writing her thesis. They have been building a new bridge. Here in both sentences, completion is uncertain or irrelevant. Number 10. Backgrounding and action. The tense can provide background information before introducing another fact. Examples: she has been thinking about your proposal and she has decided to accept it. We have been discussing the issue and we have reached an agreement. In both sentences, the present perfect continuous gives background information and the present perfect introduces the final result and affect. Number 11. Limited duration. Examples: recently you have been drinking less coffee. These days she has been traveling a lot. In these sentences, the activities are limited to a particular period. Number 12. Academic and formal usage. The tense often appears in research, reports, and analyses. Examples: researchers have been investigating the effects of pollution. Economists have been examining inflation trends. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.